Hey there, bitches. Today we're gonna replace the passenger side view mirror on a 2017 Subaru Impreza. Here's how we do it. So in order to remove the mirror, you first have to remove this little cap right here. To remove, it's gonna reveal there's a little screw in there. And then there's another one in here. I don't know if you can see it right there. So you just pop it out. And there you see the screw right there. And you see the screw right there. You want to remove those screws. I removed one screw from here and one screw from here. And now you're gonna grab a plastic pry tool to pry the door panel off. You go right here, you put it in there, and then you just pry it off. You continue to the other side, and you pry it off right there too. Then you want to be careful with this little one right here, this little piece, because if you don't remove it properly, you could break it. There you go. Now you grab the door panel and you pick it up. You take it away from the track. And now here's the mirror connection, and the screws are inside this little like fabric right here, or little plastic fabric. So you're gonna grab it from here and just take it off. It's gonna be sticky, but that's a protection for the vehicle, for the impact sensors. Like a barrier. So you do want to put that back like you found it. So there's going to be 3 screws. Be 2 there. You can see right there. And 1 right there. You could use a 10mm with a kind of a big extension, but not that big. So let's remove those screws. So here we are. I removed the 3 10mm screws, 2 right there, and 1 right there. Let's see, where is it? Can't see it, right there. Alright, now you wanna check this out. Go, and now just pull it. This is for the mirror. It goes behind this little barrier right here. So just pull it out, and now you just grab the mirror and pull it out. You're gonna want to mess with this a little bit. You can let it go gently, and now just pull this, and it comes out like this. So in this case, I need to reuse the mirror. So this is how you pop it out. You go like this, you press here, then you stick your fingers right here, and you just pry it up. With just those little tabs right here, right there, go connected to these right here. So there's little 4 tabs. How you put it back, the mirror. You want to align these little tabs right here as close as you can. You put it down, you just squeeze it in, and that's it. So this is how you put it back. You want to put this in back in, wiggle it a little bit so it can go in. Then you grab it from the other side, you put it in, and then right here you just push it in and it stays in. And now you want to put the screws back inside. 3 screws that go in here. 2 go in here and 1 goes in here. So let's do that. So now that you put the screws back together inside, remember 2 right here, 1 goes inside here and the other one goes inside here. And then the other one goes inside here. And now you just fish this back in the back. You're gonna see it right here. You grab it. Then you wanna see that this little fabric goes back in properly. Now you just grab this and click it back in. Now you're gonna wanna grab the door panel and just slide it back in. There you go. And now you just hit it right here and you slap it. Slap it back in place. You're gonna hear those little clicks. And now just put the 2 screws back there. 1 right here, 1 right here. Put the little caps and you're done.